So students, we were discussing microscopic parameters. So we have discussed in the previous definitions, we have the definition of the microstates. We are discussing here the parameters, which are, you can just say, these are the parameters. We are discussing the microscopic parameters. You can just say microscopic parameters are the parameters of the order of atomic level, or parameters related with the constituents of the system are called microscopic parameters. So according to the definition of the microscopic parameters, you can, as the name suggests, micro means we are discussing at the atomic level. So we have the definition of the microscopic parameters, means we have the parameters that are related with the order of the atomic level, or parameters which are related with the constituents of the system. जो constituents जिससे system मिलकर बना हुआ है, means I have atoms. Atom basic constituents क्या है मेटर उसका, atom system का basic constituent क्या है, atom. तो microscopic parameters क्या है, related with the, but this is not our of consideration. हम इसको consideration में नहीं लिखे क्योंकि हम जनरली डिस्कस करते हैं किसके बारे में, microscopic parameters, क्योंकि we are not dealing here the individual, means we are discussing in the thermodynamics a basic collection, or you can just say large collection of the particles, that is the system which is in our investigation, and that is the related with the thermodynamic state, you can just say. So we have not taking consideration here the microscopic parameters. You can say that these are the parameters that describe the internal structure of the system. As I earlier mentioned, what is the basic internal structure of the system? This is related with the microscopic parameters. These parameters cannot be directly measured in the laboratory or you cannot experience it. So this is the basic one, which is the main reason why we are not taking consideration in this one. So for example, mass, velocity, energy, momenta, etc. of a molecule of a gas are the microscopic parameters. So for the example, we have mass, velocity, energy, momentum. These are the for which are responsible, or you can just say the property related with the molecules of the gas are the microscopic parameters. On the other hand, we have the macroscopic parameters. As I earlier said, this is also called the thermodynamic parameters, which are also, so you can just say these are the parameters as earlier according to the definition of the thermodynamics related with the means, you can just say thermodynamics is the branch of physics in which we deals only the macroscopic state of this, and उस macroscopic state के साथ जो parameters related होंगे वो क्या कहलाएंगे, macroscopic parameters. So this is the basic one in which you can understand this is the macroscopic parameter. अब macroscopic parameter को हम define कैसे करेंगे या actual उसकी definition क्या होती है, इसको समझने के लिए we have, you can just say here, macroscopic parameters of a system are, you can just say, the average values of the total of the corresponding microscopic parameters. जो actual क्या है, average value of the total of the, you can just say, corresponding microscopic parameters of the constituent particles. These can be measured directly in the laboratory, while the previous microscopic parameters cannot be measured directly in the laboratory or cannot be experienced. But this is the main difference. That's why we take into consideration in thermodynamics that these parameters can be measured directly in the laboratory. That's why this is to be taken into consideration while we have a discussion of the thermodynamics. So, for example, this pressure, energy, entropy, volume, temperature, CV, Cp of the total system. These are the macroscopic parameters. And you can just say PVT has no meaning for individual molecules, but only for a larger number of the molecules, means larger number of the particles, means when we have a particular system, then these have the significance of this pressure, volume or temperature. So students, in this we have discussed what are the macroscopic parameters, what are the microscopic parameters, what are the, you can just say, macrostate, and what is the microstate. I hope in this video you have learnt about what is the microstate, what is the microstate, what is the macroscopic parameter, what are the microscopic parameter. So I think this will help you in understanding this subject of thermodynamics in a very much better way. So student, I hope you have learnt a lot about in this discussion, in this lecture. So student, thank you. Thanks to all of you. Subscribe the channel and keep watching. Thank you.